We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to change your fuser, and I'm working with an Oki MC363. So first thing first, you want to open your top hatch. You want to hear it click into place, that way you know it's standing up and it won't fall down. Then you're going to press this little button here on the left side to pop this hatch up. And this is going to be your toners and your drum. Your fuser is going to be right behind it. There is blue little tabs right here on the side you can move up and down. Go ahead and move those up. In the middle there is going to be a handle. You can pull your fuser out. You want to make sure that when you're pulling it out, you want to have your printer cooled off. We do recommend, if you had just used your printer, to wait about 30 minutes. If you haven't used your printer in a while, just make sure it's not hot. If it is, just let it cool down a little bit. So you get your new fuser and insert it in the same position. Put it in the guides and then go ahead and lock it back into place. Then shut your top hatch. Then the top hatch. And your printer will initialize, and then you should be good to go. If you guys are seeing any printing defects or any issues with your printer, you may need to call us and put it in for a service. If you guys are in need of any quotes or supplies, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.